Testers can also use iMazing to install the IPA file when the Download on Mobile Device button is not present in the cycle overview. Follow these steps. Download and install iMazing on your computer from iMazing.com. Open the test cycle overview on your PC and download the IPA from the attachments section. Open iMazing on your computer. Connect the iOS device to the computer and trust the computer. On iMazing, click on Manage Apps. Click on the drop-down arrow at the bottom right. Click on Install IPA file. Select the downloaded IPA file and click on Open. Wait until the process finishes. Once installation is finished, open Settings on the iOS device. Navigate to General and open VPN and Device Management if your device has iOS 15 or newer, or select Profiles and Device Management if you have an older iOS version. Select the Install app and trust it. Now, the testing app can be opened.